Okay, so we've got the iCAP 350. So this air and suction fed machine. So it'll blow all the air between all your different thicknesses of card, and then the suction will suck one of the sheets up and then push it through the feeder itself. So you can adjust the thickness of your card quite easily. There's just a knob at the back up there. They just turn it into different grams, and then you've got your air blower. Depending on how thick your card is, well, you can increase the air in it to separate your stock. So entry on the screen is quite simple. So you just measure your stock. On here we've got a 298 when we measure millimeters stock. So we're just going to go pretty much. It was pretty much halfway. So we're just going to type in 149. That's your halfway of that card. Once we're happy with it, we can just press enter. And then if we want to do another crease, then we could put another measurement in there, and then it would go down to the next one, But just because we're going to put one crease through the card itself, we're just going to press enter because we don't really want one through. So then once you're happy with it, then we can press a test to see how it is. See it blowing. Okay, and then we can see that it's going to produce your stock, and if we want, we can make any changes from there. See a nice little crease through there. Perfect. And then once you're happy with it, then we press start. You'll see the trail come up, blowing. And it will stop automatically, but you can see. You've got all your perfect creases in a row. So you've got guides here. If you want to go further back on here, you can adjust this guide here. You can adjust the suction, how high the pile comes up away from the suction. So you can adjust the thickness of the separation. So open the rollers up if you've got something a little bit more thicker, and then we can increase the air volume on that as well to make sure that the air is blowing along here. Yeah, that's pretty much it for the 350. It's quite a simple process. It's got creasing and perforation blades on it. So when we want to kind of change the creasing, once again, it's quite a simple process. Just in here, you've got you've got your creasing bars, and you just slide them out, and then you've got a perforation bar, and you can just slide the perforation bars in there as well if you're going to do perforation. So putting in your other stock, I'll just do another little video for your other stock. So this is your A4 stock. So we're going with shiny gloss side down. Pop it to the top of this side. So you can probably get your two reams on this one. And then that's perfectly in anyway. Let's push that one in. Tuck that one in the back. So we've done a little tester. So as it's 297, we're just hitting it at 149. So once again, we're going to put our measurements in here at 149 for the first crease. Do a tester. Make sure that everything is okay. If you need to make any adjustments, you can kind of change the skew. There's a skew adjustment at the back you can change, or if you need to change anything on the dial itself, you can bring the fold down, etc., etc., etc. But once you're happy with it, then you can press start. can see the crack. So you can see there's that one there. You see any cracking? There's no cracking on that sheets because it's a compressed guillotine creasing rather than the rotary, where the rotary tries to push the crease through it. But because you've got the bar creasing, it's compressing the fibres in the sheet. Okay. Okay, perfect.